Do you want to know how to earn by watching videos online no matter the country you live in? And are you tired of all the clickbait videos with exaggerated claims that are just lying to you just to get views? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and if you watched any of my videos before, you know that I constantly test free ways to make money online, and one popular way I'm very often asked about is to earn by watching videos. And there definitely are legit ways to do this. You just need to do it with the right expectations. So in this video here, I will explain exactly how it works and exactly how you can expect, and I will show you 7 ways where you can start earning by watching videos right away. So before I start going over the 7 ways I want to show you, I just want to set the expectations, because I have seen a lot of videos here on YouTube that claims that you can earn $1, $2, $5, etc. per video, or earn hundreds of dollars per day just by watching videos. And most of those videos, the people that make them, they have actually never used those platforms. They just come up with some kind of random number because it looks good on a YouTube thumbnail and get views, but it's completely unrealistic. You will not earn $1 or $5 or $10 per video you watch. That's just not realistic. It is not a way to make a living or anything like that. So the people that claim that, they do not know what they're talking about, or they're just outright lying just to get views. And also then there are platforms where you can actually see you can earn maybe $2.50 or something like that per video you watch. And those platforms, they're just scams. They will actually never pay you, so they can easily promise you $2 to $5 or whatever per video, because they actually never intend to pay you. So you need to make sure to stay away from anything that claims something like that. But when that is said, there are actually real ways where you can earn a bit extra by watching videos. And in this video here, I will show you 7 options, and no matter the country you live in, you can actually find options. It is not necessarily a prioritized list, because the best option for you depends on your personal preferences and also on the country you live in. But with the expectations set correct, let's now then go over these 7 methods. So the first method I want to go over is called Volcano, and Volcano is actually only for the US, but if you do not live in the US, do not worry. As I already mentioned, there will be plenty of other options on this list here, and you can use all the other options there from many other countries, and you will be able to find options no matter the country you live in. But if you do live in the US, Volcano is a platform where you can rate movie trailers. It can be quite fun and interesting, and you can earn by doing that. It just has a very limited number of trailers you can do, so it can be a little bit difficult to reach the payout threshold of $5. And when you do, you cannot take your earnings out in cash, but only gift cards. So it's not necessarily the best platform, but if you do live in the US, it can be an interesting extra way to earn a little bit by watching videos. But it's not a good long-term solution because of the limited number of videos it has here. But it can be fun because the trailers can be quite entertaining, and that is why I wanted to mention it here. So the next method I want to go over is an app called AppCom, and you can use this one here from more or less all countries from Android phones. It's actually mainly an app that allows you to download other games and earn by playing them, but it also has a section where you can earn by actually watching videos. And I have a full tutorial about AppCom, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here if you want to see exactly how to use it to earn. So it's not a huge number of paid videos you can find here, but it can be a nice little extra touch here, and it's small ads for other apps you see there, and it's around 30 seconds, and then you get a few points. And also if you join AppCom through an invitation link, then you can get 500 points into your account right away. And I will also leave a link below here where you can find that invitation link so you can get that joining bonus if you decide AppCom is for you. So the next method is called PicoWorkers, and PicoWorkers is a micro job platform. It has a lot of small little tasks you can do here, and you can find plenty of tasks no matter the country you live in. Not all of the tasks pays that well, but if you choose wisely, you can always find some ways here to earn. And some of these tasks include actually watching videos. You will see for each task exactly what you need to do, how long you need to watch each video, and all this. And I wanted to include it here because it has these options for all countries. But as mentioned, just make sure to choose the tasks wisely because not all tasks here are worth it. So just make sure to read the exact conditions before you start any of the tasks here. But if you do, then you can always find plenty of ways to actually earn a little bit extra here on Pico Workers. The next option I want to go over is called Swagbucks, and Swagbucks is one of the most popular get paid to sites because it has a lot of different ways to earn, and one of the earning methods is to earn by watching videos. And you can find plenty of videos here, and you can also find plenty of other earning opportunities. Theoretically, you can join Swagbucks from all countries, but the video earning option is not available in all countries. In general, you can find the most earning opportunities on Swagbucks if you live in the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, France, Germany, or Spain. So it's not necessarily a good option for all, but if you do live in one of the countries I just mentioned, then it definitely can be an interesting platform to actually join to earn. The video earning option is not the highest paying option on Swagbucks. There are tasks here that will pay you significantly more, but the video earning option can be a nice way to earn a little bit extra and have fun at the same time. So the next method I want to go over is one I personally find very interesting. It's called Coinbase, and here they sometimes have videos where you can learn about cryptocurrencies and you get paid quite a lot for actually watching these. I actually did a test here where I managed to earn around $30 in just 20 minutes by watching videos here. And I have a video about that here on another place, and I will leave a link to that in the top corner here if you want to see exactly how I did that. But I just want to make it clear that it has limited options. The video earning option is not always available, but if it is, it's definitely worth using because it pays very well for the time. And you can join Coinbase from around 100 different countries. But as mentioned, if you want to know more about this option, I will leave a link below also so you can go and see the full video where I explain all about how that works. So we are getting closer to the end of the list here. And before I go over the last two options, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here because it can help it to be seen by more people. But the platform I want to go over is called Reward XP. And this is a get paid to site that is not so well known, but it actually pays quite well for the videos you watch. Overall, you will not earn a lot by watching videos, but if you have to watch videos, for example, here through Loot TV or Hideout TV, which are the two video options Reward XP offers, then this is one of the platforms that actually pays you the most for these type of videos. And if you have joined get paid to sites before, I'm sure you have seen this Hideout TV and Loot TV option here. And then it definitely can be a good way to earn through Reward XP. You can join Reward XP itself from more or less all countries. The video earning option is not available in all countries, but it is available in a lot of countries. So the last option I want to go over is called Timebox. And Timebox is a get paid to site with a lot of different ways to earn. And one of the earning methods is by watching videos. You just log in, go to content, and then you go to videos. And then there are quite a lot of different videos, and you can see exactly how many seconds you need to watch to actually be able to earn. And it pays quite well for this type of videos here compared to many other platforms. And it also has this one here you can see called Engage, and there you can also find even more videos you can earn by watching. And Timebox is also a platform you can use no matter the country you live in, and you can earn by watching these videos here no matter the country you live in. So overall, there are some really great platforms you can use to earn a bit extra by watching videos online. You just need to do it with the right expectations. It will not make you a lot of money. Earning by watching videos in general is not something that will give you a high hourly rate or anything like that. It can give you a bit of extra money on the side, and it can be fun and entertaining at the same time. But do not fall for any of the scams that claim that you can earn 50 cents, $2, $5 or something like that just for watching a short video. That's just not how it works, and any person that claims that or any platform that claims that are just lying to you. So just make sure to be careful what you believe when you see information about earning by watching videos. But I hope this video helped you clarify and find out if this is the right earning opportunity for you or not. And I also hope it gave you some great ideas about platforms that are right for you if you want to earn by watching videos. And if it did help you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.